What's happening, everybody? Biker Dave here. If you have a Hummer H3 and you would like to adjust the headlight beam, very easy to do. Alright, looking right behind the bulb here, there's a star-shaped adjuster. And you could use a couple of different tools. You could do a T15 Torx. That'll fit inside the star. Or I used I believe this is like a 10-point socket, 1/4 inch. It also fits right on the outside of it. And all you do is tighten it to point the beam down, or loosen it to bring the beam up. So if you've if you've lifted your front, like we just did new bump stops on this and adjusted the torsion bars, and it raised the front end up a little bit, which means now the headlights are pointing up too high. So very easy, and you can see when you're turning this also, you can see the shield behind there. You can see it slowly turning, so you can tell which way to do it, just by looking at it. But very simple to do. Takes you nothing but a couple of minutes. That's it. Make sure you check out our other videos on this vehicle, a 2008 Hummer H3 Alpha. We've got quite a few little fix-ups and improvements and whatnot that we've done to this good little truck. And we got all kinds of other videos on our channel also, so make sure you have a look at all that. Really liking this thing so far. It's older, 2008 model, and we're in 2021, so it's it's got 160,000 miles. It's definitely not perfect, but it's in great overall condition, and we've just done a few little fix-ups and whatnot to it. And but so far, really enjoying it. I highly recommend one. If you want the V8 model, you get the Alpha edition, which is this one. It's got the little 5.3 V8, and it's a good solid vehicle. Definitely recommend it. Anywho, that's it for now. Biker Dave signing off in a beautiful Thursday afternoon here in Marietta, Georgia. You'll have a great day.